Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch video. And before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I'm at 295 subscribers right now, and I could not have done this without you. So I really do appreciate all the thumbs up, the like, the subscribes, the support you guys have given me while I help grow this channel from the ground up. I do appreciate it so much, and I couldn't do it without you. So also, if you're new to this channel and you like this content, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and if that's up your alley, please do consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing if you want to see more watch review videos, because I come out with new watch videos just about every other day, and I get new watches in at least 2 to 3 times per week. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. I don't know if my current subscribers, if you guys remember this watch, but basically it came in and I was not satisfied with this watch at all, and it had the most gaudy looking face on it, and I had actually did a review. I did a video where I actually took the face off of the watch and I changed it out with basically some matte black vinyl, and I had left the date window there, and it was kind of like a little sliver off into the corner. So I don't know if you want to head on over to that video and check it out so that you guys know what I'm talking about. But it just kind of bothered me that it just had this little sliver for the date down there. So basically what I did is I took it back apart again and I refaced the dial again, just so that it could be a solid black dial, and I do think it looks 1000% better. However, it does have that ghost date position now, but I think this watch is 10 times better looking than it was before with that ugly fake dial that they had on it with the fake gears and everything. It's just a really, now I think it just looks like a really sharp dress watch, really nice. And it was a shame that they did that to the dial, because the watch itself is pretty solid. So it just kind of upset me that they went ahead and did that, with such a fake toyish looking dial, and it was so horrendous looking. And I think I might even have a piece of it. Yeah. Okay. So here we go. This was just kind of like part of it. But it really had these fake looking dials on it. It was a really cheap, ugly looking. It had like a fake moon phase over in the corner and a fake tourbillon, but basically you can see it was just kind of cheap quality, just ugly looking face, and basically I just turned it into that. So I think it looks 1000% better than it did before. It just looks more sleek and just like a nicer looking watch all around. So I do like to take apart these watches and repair them and do different things to them as well. Like I said before, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And I also like to fix them up if they're ugly. You know, I like to do something different for them. This was another watch that I had changed the face out on because the face was really horrible. So I actually took the face off of another watch that had a cheaper case and a cheaper bracelet, and I put the face on this one, and I think this one also looks 1000% better than it did, because it really had an ugly face on it. There was another watch that I had spent some time on where I had actually modified it quite a bit. I took this, it's a Richard Mille style watch, and what I did was I basically, it had probably the ugliest color red band. I mean, it's kind of like an orangey red, but it's not really, and it's kind of like this fake plastic. So basically what I did is since this watch already had like a blue tint to the front of the watch, I took this blue band that I had off of a different watch and I modified it to put it on here. I had to file it down and get it to fit right, but now I think this is probably one of my nicer looking watches in the collection. Just to do that, I mean, made it completely different. So I've got 3 different watches here that probably I would have thrown away otherwise. Well, maybe not the Richard Mille. I definitely would have put a different band on that one, but these other 2, I probably would have thrown them away if I wasn't able to find a way to do something with them to change them. So I really gave them a second life and put them back in the collection, and now I can wear them and I can enjoy them as opposed to just getting rid of them. But anyhow, that was just a couple of watches that I wanted to show you guys that I had modified to make them look a lot better. But really the video was about this one because I had changed it from the last video that I did. The video that I did before, it shows a date window down at the 4 o'clock position, and I actually covered that over so that it's actually a ghost date now. It just kind of floats around behind there. But other than that, great band, great case, beautiful looking color, and the black dial really sets this watch off. It's just a really classy looking watch, and that's about all I have to say about it. If you want to check out the other video, you can actually see what I did to it to get it to look this way. I will post a link to that video in the description below, so you guys can click on over and see that, or you can subscribe and head on over to my videos and check it out. So, with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And I will see you guys in the next watch review video. So, until next time, you guys have a great day. Hey guys, just figured I'd add a little clip at the end of the video showing you what I'm talking about with that little sliver of a date window, so you can see what I mean. Alright, till next time, Dave the Watchman, I'm out of here.